Good to see you here, good to be here. I'm Claudio Cungi, I'm Chief Product Marketing Officer at Strands. We actually are a company, a fintech that operates in the fintech market since 12 years now. We are specialized in data analytics, customer engagement, and personalizations. What does it mean? We provide solutions such as personal financial manager, business financial manager, and open banking solutions that wants to help our customers, typically banks and financial services, to evolve their customer engagement to the next level. And actually what we're doing here today is we're trying to meet our partners, we're trying to meet our friends, our customers, get in touch a bit with the fintech industry. The market looks pretty on a hype. It's actually good to be here. We're seeing a lot of good people, a lot of good stuffs. We're really enjoying the time being here. It was actually a long time that we didn't see this kind of, movement. After COVID, I think it's good, to get outside our houses and out of the office finally and be at a physical event.
I completely agree. I want to ask then, what are the opportunities that open banking creates for innovation in the financial services sector?
It's a very fair question and something I think that we are trying to challenge as well as banks. I really believe that open banking, first of all, it wants to democratize somehow the financial service industry. What it should do actually, it should make data accessible to third-party institutions such as fintechs, of course, and third-party providers such as us. It should also enable to speed up innovation. So let's think that data till before open banking era was just to the bank, right? And innovation was just done by banks. What open banking wants to do is let fintech support bank in building new use cases. So building new use cases that can then be used also by banks, right? To improve their customer engagement, let me say. So this is, I think, what the aim of open banking is. So democratizing the industry, letting new players in, providing new type of services. I think this is what it has to do. Then, of course, I really think that open banking is evolving into open finance. So new types of data, new type of fintechs can also enter the market. So I'm really positive about open banking and about the possibilities I see around this movement, let me say.
Aside from open banking as well, how else should banks gear up for a digital future?
It's a fair question. I really believe that banks should somehow try to set up new type of personalized experience for their customers. Let us make it practical. You open up your social network, you open up your e-commerce platform, you open up your media app like Netflix or Prime, whatever, and everything is just tailoring according to your needs, right? Because there are informations that these players, these giants, use to personalize the experience around your needs. So basically your expectations are set, right? You open up Instagram and you are seeing what you have to see. I really believe that the customer engagement and the personalization I was talking about is exactly this, applied for financial services. So banks should definitely somehow try to evolve their experience into something that is in line also with the other known financial service industries. I really believe this is what we are working on. I really see this is something banks are working on, and we're really keen in exploring together with the banks these kind of use cases.
And lastly then, is there any upcoming news from your organization that we should keep an eye out for?
Yeah, definitely. We are working on, I think, the key news is our new engagement platform, the Engager. But especially we are rolling out a new cloud infrastructure that wants to be used as a software as a service that will allow banks to connect to our services, our core service, PFM, BFM, and Engager, so to use this as a service via our AWS infrastructure.
Well, thank you very much for your time and your insights. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.